Good morning. We have bloody sun. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Literally. Oh, look at it. Where are you? Woo, woo. Sun, sun, sun. Right, today what we're going to try and get done is potentially get all this little slabbing inside there. Try and get possibly this levelled off. We're still going to put a few more sleepers in there as well. Try and get that all backfilled. And try and get as much as we can done. Go try and get these bits infilled as well, because the grass is coming tomorrow. So hopefully we can get something done. Look at the state of my hair. Everyone, not a bad day at all, to be truthful. It's hard to go to my son's little graduation today. He's going to big school soon, but what we've got done today is got these few little slabs in here, that little small return there, we've got the railway sleeper along there, we've got all that section along there all gravelled, and that top section's all been levelled off as well, so it looks a lot better now. The planting bed here just for some vegetables, that's all had some brand new topsoil in. My son came with me as well, so he's had a nice little dig there as well, so that's always fun. And then we've got a hell of a lot of gravel down there as well, and then we've moved roughly around about 5 tonne of topsoil on here. This stuff's a little bit more damp, so I've just got it round just so hopefully it'll dry up a little bit overnight, because we are meant to have pretty much dry weather until Saturday, I believe. So fingers crossed we can carry on pushing through. Thanks again everyone, that was a bit close. I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.